The Paraglider has two risers, one on each side, connecting us to the lines. Older paragliders had four risers, A, B, C, and D. Newer ones, particularly beginner models, usually have only three, A, B, and C. The first riser, the A riser, connects to the leading edge and is often split to make maneuvers like big ears easier. Then there are the B risers, which we don't use at the moment but are essential for the B stall, a maneuver where you pull the B risers to create a partial stall and lose altitude. B risers can also help stop the paraglider from inflating if there's a lot of wind. Since modern paragliders generally have just three risers, the last riser is the C riser. This is useful if, for instance, a brake line breaks. You can use the C riser to control by pulling it back as a substitute brake. At the end, we have the brake handle. By pulling on the brakes, we can turn and adjust speed as the brake handle connects to the trailing edge, changing the paraglider's angle of attack when pulled. On the front of the riser, we have the speed system, which consists of pulleys, a line, and a hook. This hook connects to the speed bar on the harness, and pressing it lowers the A risers and partly lowers the B risers, which drops the leading edge and increases speed. The riser has a main attachment point connected to the carabiners on our harness. Finally, the paraglider has tips or stabilizers, which are just the outermost ends of the wing. That's essentially it when it comes to the parts of the paraglider itself. We haven't covered other equipment, like the harness or the reserve, but as far as the paraglider is concerned, that's everything. I almost forgot about the butthole. What is that? It's basically a small pocket in the stabilizer, usually closed with Velcro, where sand, dirt, or debris that accumulates in the wing can be removed. This little pocket or opening that closes with Velcro, and that's all you need to know about your paraglider's parts. Remember to take good care of it, especially the cells and leading edge, and keep it clean inside and out. That's what the rear hole is for.